Good afternoon, everybody. This is Miss Kershaw here. How are you? I hope everybody is ready for their spelling lesson, week 9. To start the lesson, you need to have with you your whiteboard and your pen, and I hope you have already had a look at some of your spellings over the weekend. Okay, we're going to start with some revision. Let's see if you can remember how to spell some of last week's words. Now, as you can see here, I have taken away word 1 and 2 from each group. So, group A, I want you to have a go at spelling the word trying and crying. That's for group A. Okay, group B, the words that are missing for you are make and making. Make and making. Please have a go at spelling them. And last of all, group C, you are going to write the words for me. Write. So as in I write with a pencil, and writing. So group A, trying and crying. Group B, make and making. Group C, write and writing. Okay, I'll give you a few seconds just to have a go at writing those words. You should have them written on your whiteboard. Each group should have 2. Okay, here we go. There are our words. Trying and crying. Okay, have a look to see if you got them correct. Make and making. And last of all, write and writing. Okay, if you got both of those words right, you can give yourselves a house point. Put a tick on your whiteboard to indicate a house point, and then show your teacher after the lesson. Okay, we are learning today how verbs alter when ing is added. So group A, group B and group C, you can see your spelling words in front of you today. Quick question, I want you to discuss this with your partner. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to do it. And the question is, what is a verb? So what is a verb? Here we go, I'm going to put this on. I'll give you the 56 seconds to do it. What kind of word is a verb? Tell your partners. You don't need to write it down. See if you can find some examples. Okay, 20 seconds left. And that is your time up. Okay, here we go. Let's have a look at the answer. There we go. A verb is a doing or action word. So all of your spelling words today are verbs. Okay, again, here are your spelling words. Now, if you have a look at the words in group A, you will see the root words here. So run, sit, hit, fit and hop. They are the root words. Now, the reason there is a slight change when adding ing is to a CVC word. So hop is a CVC word. It's a consonant, C, a vowel, V, and a consonant. Now, if we were just to stick ing on the end of it, that becomes the word hoping. We don't want the word hoping, we want hopping. So the reason we add in this extra consonant here, whichever this one is, we double it up. The reason we add that extra consonant is to protect the sound the vowel makes. So here you can see we have a, I, and o. Now, if you change that sound by adding ing, the o will make an o sound, the I will make an I sound, the a could make a u sound. Okay, so by doubling up on our vowel, we are protecting our short vowel. So our short vowel is being protected here. So hop doesn't become hoping, it becomes hopping. And if you have a look at your spelling words, you will see that each of them have a double consonant in the middle. Okay, and that is the doubling rule. We double up on our consonant to protect the sound made from the we double up on the consonant to protect the sound made by the vowel, so o in this case. Okay, we have a task for you. I want you to find the continuous verb to fit the sentences. I'm going to read the sentences first. The tap has been all night. Move your shoes. I have been over them all day. And finally, Gran is me a new winter sweater. Okay, I want you to have a go at writing those sentences out, please. So I'm going to give you a minute. Find me the missing words. I'm going to move this over so you can see here. Okay, the missing words. And make sure you are spelling them correctly. I will read the sentences out again. So the tap has been what all night? Move your shoes. I have been what over them all day. Gran is me a new winter sweater. Okay, 20 more seconds. And stop. Okay, put your lids on your pens and let's have a look how you did. So there's the first one. The tap has been dripping all night. Okay, the second one. Move your shoes. I have been tripping over them all day. And the last one. Gran is knitting me a new sweater. If you got the silent K on the beginning of that word as well, give yourself a house point. That's a tick on your whiteboard. And if you got all three of the verbs correct, give yourselves another tick. That is another house point for you on your whiteboard. Well done to everybody that completed that task. Okay, so for the last thing that we're going to look at today, we are looking at the root word. So if I take you back to some of your spellings, let's have a look at clapping. Both Group B and Group C have clapping. So the root word of clapping, so if you can write that on your whiteboard. Okay, the root word is clap. Well done if you got that. The suffix we are adding is ing, and the letter we are doubling is p. Okay, so that is how we then spell the word clapping. As you can see, if we put it together, clapping. So you have the root word, the suffix, and the doubling rule. Okay, let's have a look at one more. Let's take the word winning. Both Group B and Group C have the word winning. So when I put the root word in here, see if you know it. Yes, it is win. Win. Our doubling letter is N. And our suffix is ing. There we go. So let's just put that word together so we can see it. The root word, the doubling, and the suffix there. That is the word winning. Okay, I would like you all to try and do one more yourself. So here are your words. Group A, Group B, and Group C. See if you can do one word, split it into the root word, the doubling letter, and the suffix. Okay, I hope you've had a go at doing that. I'm going to do one of the Group A words, and I'm going to do the word fitting. So we'll start with the root word, which is fit. Our doubling letter is T because it's the last one here, and our suffix is ing. There we go. Okay, so our doubling rule again. To keep this vowel making the I sound, we add another T before we add ing, fitting. There we go. Okay, Year 3, an excellent job in your spelling lesson today. If you are in doubt about how to spell a word, you can use this grid yourselves to practice your spellings for the rest of the week. You can use this grid as well. Break the words down and then you will see the rule that we are using today. Okay, goodbye Year 3. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.